this rock in here and see how much it rises.
That's 25.
Since mine actually spilled a little, I'm gonna have to restart it, and then I can see how much it is.
So it was on 20 milliliters. So, and it rose up to 22. So I know that's a lot. Is I put 20 milliliters of water in this. Is it graduated cylinder? And then I put a cranberry in, and it was 21 milliliters. So that means the cranberry has a volume of 1 milliliter.
It's an 11.
Not quite.
Oh wait, so it is 12.
Okay, so I'm gonna measure my cranberry on this scale, but when I measured it on this scale, it was 3 grams. And then, is this even on? No, it's not. Okay. This one looks like it weighs nothing.
Let's see. Let's go. Put that in.
Have you ever just like the nickel's 5?
Is that 4 or 5? I think that would do our big thing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In this one.
I don't know.
Just pour it in.
It's
That is 10, 20, 25,